In this video, you'll learn how to create a Phantom wallet. By following these instructions, you will successfully install the wallet and set it up for secure use. Begin by navigating to the official Phantom website. You can do this by typing the URL directly into your browser's address bar. Once the website loads, look for the option labeled Download. This is typically located prominently on the homepage. After you click Download, you'll be prompted to choose your browser. Phantom supports multiple browsers, including Chrome, Brave, Edge, and Firefox. Select the browser you are currently using by clicking on the corresponding icon. This action will redirect you to the browser's extension store. Once in the extension store, locate the option to install the Phantom extension. Click the button that says Add to Browser and follow any prompts that appear to complete the installation. Ensure that you are installing the legitimate Phantom extension and not a random link, as security is paramount. After the installation is complete, open the Phantom extension by clicking its icon, usually found in the upper right corner of your browser. When the extension opens, you will see an option to create new wallets. Click on this option to initiate the wallet creation process. Next, you will be prompted to set a password for your wallet. This password is used to protect the wallet on your device, so choose something secure but memorable. After entering your password, confirm it to proceed. Phantom will then display a 12-word secret recovery phrase. This phrase is crucial for recovering your wallet if you ever lose access. Write this phrase down on paper and store it in a safe location. Do not take a screenshot or share it with anyone, as this could compromise the security of your funds. Remember, losing this phrase means losing access to your wallet forever. Once you've securely stored your secret recovery phrase, you will need to confirm it. The extension will prompt you to select the words in the correct order. Carefully verify each word as you confirm them. After you have successfully confirmed the phrase, your wallet will be created and you will be ready to use it. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.